In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to run GitHub code online. This is useful when you want to quickly edit, test, or work with code without downloading the repository to your computer. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, look at the left panel of your GitHub dashboard and select the repository containing the code you want to work with. Once you're inside the repository, browse through the files and open the file you want to work with. Now, look toward the upper right area of the page. Click the drop-down menu near the pencil icon and select github.dv. GitHub will open the repository in a browser-based editor. Give it a few moments to load your files and workspace. The editor is based on Visual Studio Code, so you'll have familiar features such as syntax highlighting, file navigation, and code editing tools. Once the workspace loads, you can edit your code directly in the browser. If you want to run or debug the code, look at the left sidebar and select Run and Debug. From there, you can choose the appropriate options for your project. Depending on the type of code you're working with, you may need to configure a runtime, debugging option, or other project-specific settings. Keep in mind that github.dv is primarily a browser-based code editor. For a full development environment with the ability to execute code and use a terminal, you can use GitHub Codespaces instead. And that's it. You've learned how to work with GitHub code online without downloading the repository or setting up everything locally. Thanks for watching.